Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M30s, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and pick settings, then scroll down a bit and go to wallpapers and themes. And here you can pick some from your gallery or some other picture from My Wallpapers. As you can see here, you've got all possibilities. And let me choose, for example, this one, so smoothly mark it, and then you have to decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, lock screen, or maybe both of them. And let me pick home and lock screens. And this is how it will look like. You can also activate motion effects if you want to, and then click on Set as Wallpaper. And that's it. As you can see, wallpaper has been applied to both home screen and lock screen, so here it is, and also the lock screen is covered with this brand new wallpaper. So that would be all, so you can smoothly and easily change wallpaper on your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.